Borderline personality disorder, also known as BPD, is a mental health disorder characterized by intense mood swings, impulsivity, and unstable relationships. Treatment plans for BPD aim to help individuals manage their symptoms and improve their overall functioning. A borderline personality disorder treatment plan typically involves a collaborative effort between the individual with BPD and the mental health provider. The treatment plan outlines specific goals, strategies, and interventions to help manage symptoms and improve functioning. Treatment plans may include various types of therapy such as dialectical behavior therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, or psychodynamic therapy. Medications may also be prescribed to help manage symptoms such as depression, anxiety, or impulsivity. You would typically use a BPD treatment plan after a formal diagnosis is made, when symptoms are causing significant distress, an individual is engaging in high-risk behaviors, when interpersonal relationships are affected, and when co-occurring mental health conditions are present. People who typically use BPD treatment plans are psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, and mental health counselors. To use our borderline personality disorder treatment plans, follow these steps. Download the BPD treatment plan off our CarePatron platform, which you can find in the description. Fill out the patient's details at the top of the form. Next, discuss with your patient what their treatment goals are and outline them in the treatment goals section. Decide what the treatment objectives are and note the methods down in the treatment plan or intervention section. In the second page, there is a progress notes section for the practitioner to update over time while monitoring the progress of the patient and their treatment. Lastly, there is a recommended medication and additional notes section. These sections are optional for the practitioner to use if they have any medication they would like the patient to use or to add any additional notes to the treatment plan. Here is a sample of our BPD treatment plan, which you can find on our CarePatron platform. To find our BPD treatment plan, go to our CarePatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at CarePatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our CarePatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.